guys, today we're going to unbox the Steam hand cream set, which is Nature Republic's one, and it's basically all the flavors. Yeah, flavors are all XO members. Each of them has assigned flavors. So yeah, so I don't know who I got, but definitely I got Chris because I know he has his green tea. So I'm just gonna open it up. Okay. It looks like that inside, and it is Chris, which is green tea, and peach is chen, and this is like, oh my god, I think it's something like lavender. It's red, and this is I think it's steel, if I'm not wrong. So if you know, please correct me. Okay, so let me check out this first. And this is 30 ml. It's quite a lot. So yeah, shall I open up and smell? I can't really smell because of the seal. Oh yes, so we're going to show you how it looks like later. So I'm just going to open this one, which is the Standee for XIumin. I got it from my Baekhyun's bias friend.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Shall I stand it?
Up to you.
Okay.
Anything if you want, just do
I don't want
it.
to stand. Okay, never mind. Sorry, I'm not really good at standing anything. So yeah, it looks like that, and yeah, maybe later I'll have it stand. And
The back of
this is Korean words, and yeah,
it's from Earth. That's how you know. Okay.
okay. I like the packaging. It's quite nice, and yeah.